month since Hurricane Melissa devastated Jamaica. Melissa explosively intensified into a 180-mile-per-hour hurricane as she bear down on the island nation. Now, notable M-named hurricanes are pretty common in the Atlantic, not as common as I-named hurricanes. But Melissa will join the long list of notable M-named hurricanes that ever happened in the Atlantic. Let's take a trip down memory lane highlighting some notable and historic M-named Atlantic hurricanes. Let's start with Hurricane Marilyn of 1995. Marilyn peaked as a Category 3 hurricane with winds near 115 miles per hour. Marilyn was the strongest hurricane to strike the Virgin Islands since Hurricane Hugo of 1989. Interesting enough, Marilyn was the third hurricane to hit the Leeward Islands in just 2 weeks. Previous hurricanes were Louis and Iris. Remaining in the 1990s, let's hop on over to 1998 when Hurricane Mitch powered up into a pinhole hurricane with sustained winds of 180 miles per hour. Mitch was one of the deadliest hurricanes to ever happen globally, killing over 11,000 people in Central America. Catastrophic floods swamped parts of Nicaragua and Honduras. 2001 is not only known for 9/11, 2001 is also known for bringing on one of the strongest hurricanes to ever hit Cuba, Hurricane Michelle. Michelle was a powerful late-season Category 4, packing winds near 140 miles per hour, killing almost 24 people and leaving behind over $4 billion in damage.